Hi, this is Eric Edelman with Century 21 Award Realty, and today we're in front of our listing at 2838 Fisher's Place in Escondido. This is in a brand new master plan community out here in West.Escondido called Harmony Grove Village. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath house with 2,517 square feet. So let's go on inside and have a look. All of these homes out here in Harmony Grove Village have the garage in back, so you have the main entrance is nice and clean. And you've got a little sitting area out in front here, which is great, a little patio. And let's go on inside. So as soon as you enter the home, there is a full bathroom and bedroom right downstairs here, which is great for house guests. They have their own space. So as you come on inside the main living area, you have the dining room, you have the kitchen, and you have the living room, all in one sort of great room here. And these folks are in the midst of moving out of the house, so you might see some boxes and whatnot here and there. Then as you proceed on into the kitchen, you've got some great natural stone countertops, white cabinets, beautiful appliances and beautiful fixtures. This house was built in 2017, so everything's practically brand new. Another great feature to this home is tons of storage. In addition to lots of closets, you have a great pantry here for the kitchen to store all of your kitchen stuff. Another fantastic feature to this home is the outdoor living space. What you've got out here is called a California room, and the California room is an enclosed area, or at least it's got a ceiling or a roof and a ceiling fan and a sitting area, so you can sit out here spring, summer, winter, fall, doesn't matter what time of year, and enjoy the outdoor space. So the remaining 3 bedrooms are upstairs. So let's go on upstairs and have a look at those. But first I got to show you that downstairs, right off the garage, which is here, we have a half bathroom. So in addition to the full bath downstairs, you've got another half bath. Really super convenient to have 2 bathrooms downstairs. So the rest of the bedrooms are upstairs, so let's go have a look at those. One of the great features to the upstairs of this home is this den area, which could be used as a movie viewing area, can be used as a children's playroom, a work area, a lot of different things you could do with this space right here. All right, so let's head on into the master suite. Right here on the right, the first thing we have is the master bath. That's got a great big soaking tub and a nice big shower, and everything again is pretty new. This was built in 2017, so you can move right in here and everything is going to work great. And then the walk-in closet right here, plenty of room for all of your stuff, both his and hers. And you've got a nice little linen closet here, and then of course the master bedroom. So let's go on down the hall and see the other 2 bedrooms. These windows here will let in plenty of light. All you got to do is open up the blinds, which I should have already done, but there you go. Plenty of light up here. And then you have your laundry room and laundry sink upstairs, which is fantastic. You don't have to carry laundry up and down the stairs. And then we have another linen closet here, or a linen pantry or linen cabinets, however you want to refer to those. And then we've got our last 2 bedrooms here at the end of the hall. And it's a really gray day outside today, so you can tell even without a lot of sunshine, you get tons of light in this house. So I mentioned that Harmony Grove Village was a master plan community, and that means that this community was planned with all the amenities built right in. We're standing in 4th of July Park right now, which is the main park in Harmony Grove Village. It's got a great gathering spot, playgrounds, and lots of space for kids to run and play. And in addition to this park, there are lots of pocket parks throughout this community, dog parks, swimming pool, other recreational amenities. So this is a great place to come and live and enjoy everything that Harmony Grove Village has to offer. So thanks for coming on a tour of Harmony Grove Village and 2838 Fishers Place with us today. If you'd like a private showing or any more information about the property, just send us a message or give us a call.